welcome back to a new video, and today we're going to talk about student discounts. Definitely need student discounts. Who don't need free food and student discounts? That's what we are here for.
I love the way you talk to me when nobody is listening.
Hello guys, welcome back to a new video, and today we are going to talk about, as you read in the description, the apps and the discounts you need here in USA as a student. So starting with the transportation apps, there are two apps which are very famous in US. They're Uber and Lyft. Both of these are the transportation cab booking apps, and you need them to go here and there and to book a cab if you need so. The third is a Zipcar. If you know how to drive, then Zipcar is a car rental service where you can rent a car for a day or for some hours. The hourly rate is as low as $20 per hour, which is very cheap. And the discount that you can get on transportation apps is through Freebird. Freebird is an app which I use and which you should also use to book a cab. If you book a cab through Freebird, you get free credits and you can avail cashbacks through those credits once they reach certain limit. For example, 4,000 coins or 8,000 coins or 20,000 coins, and you can convert them into dollars back. The next is the food ordering apps. So three apps which are very common are Grubhub, Allset and Postmates. So Allset and Postmates have their referral links, and if you want to earn $25 while you sign up on these apps or download these apps, then click on the link below. All the referral links are mentioned in the description below. Check them out, and if you download through those links, you will get $25 straight away in your Allset and Postmates account, which is again a food ordering app. It has restaurants from all over the place, and you can order food very easily. The next is the shopping app. So shopping apps are Amazon, Walmart, Costco and Best Buy. So Amazon, if you are a student, you can sign up for 6 months for free if you sign up Amazon through your school ID, and you can get Amazon Prime, Amazon Music and Amazon Shopping for free for 6 months. Also apps such as HBO Max is free for 6 months, again just as Amazon, and you can sign up with your school ID. For example, I am at USC, and if I sign up with my USC ID into HBO, we get free HBO. The next is Walmart and Costco are by electronics or household or any kind of stuff, so check them out. The discounts that you get on food and shopping, I use a Cheese card. So Cheese is a zero fee cashback debit MasterCard. The Cheese card rewards you when you seek new adventures to try, taste and experience daily, and whether that's choosing between a boba or a latte, I like boba myself, and you deserve a little extra cashbacks in it, little extra cheese, as they say. So if you download the Cheese app through the referral link below or use my code KANIKA you will get $15 for free in your Cheese account, and through that you can buy at Walmart, Costco, Uber Eats and 10,000 plus different brands all over USA, and you can avail different cashbacks. For example, a 5% cashback at Asian owned restaurants specifically, and 10% discount on your flight tickets if you book them with Cheese, and 10% discount on 10,000 stores such as Adidas, Walmart, Costco, Jobus, Savvy, Uber Eats, Instacart and many more, and a 3% discount by referring your friends to join them. So you get 3% discount on all over the month whatever you buy from Cheese card. There are no pesky banking fees. You can get a $5 sign up bonus and unlock more surprises ahead by using my referral KANIKA. The best thing about Cheese is it is ready to use. It came into my mailbox in just 2 days, and I'm using it every day to buy my coffee, to buy my shoes, to buy my stuff, household groceries, everything. And Cheese is pledging 100,000 in donations to Asian non-profits to help Asian communities. activities since I'm an Asian myself, so I wanted to support this. If you also want to support this, go sign up for your Cheez account right now. What all you have to do is use the referral link down below and download the app and sign up, open and fund account. You can fund your account using your existing American account. It is just as topping up your normal any Metro card or any grocery card. It is as just simple, and once you complete the qualifying activities, you will get $15, $10 just when you open the account, and $5 when you fund your account. So go now and download Cheez. The next is a payments app. So for payments we use Venmo and Zelle. Zelle is powered by Chase and Venmo is a standalone. So if you go if you check the description below, there's the referral link Venmo as well, and you can get up to $15 if you sign up from that link directly in your Venmo account. Zelle is from Chase. Chase is a bank, and if you open a student account with Chase, you get $100 if you do 10 transactions using the Chase debit card. So go and avail all the discounts, guys. What are you doing? Other discount that you can avail as a student is Mint mobile plans. So Mint is offering 44% discount on the regular rates, so you can get your mobile plan as low as $15 per month. I have mentioned this in several videos, and Mint has not sponsored me in any way for this, but it's just that it's very economical, and I know that you guys are also coming from India and it's hard to move here because it's a very expensive city and finances are the main concern for students. So that's why I always recommend you things which are cheap and best. Mint is the best. Go check that out, link in the description. If you sign up with that, you get it for $15 per month. Go check out the description below. Look out for discounts everywhere. If you're going to some amusement parks or tourist place or theaters or anything, just ask them if they have student discount, and you can show your ID or log in into their app with their student ID. Try logging in everywhere with your student ID because it opens up the opportunity to avail certain discounts which you don't know otherwise. That's all. These are all the apps that I use every day, and these are all the apps that help me survive in this country, in this very expensive land of Los Angeles, and that's how I save and manage my finances. That's it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, like, do everything possible to grow this channel. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next.